All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be talking about SoFi. I want to get right into it because this setup is looking absolutely amazing for SoFi. Let me make this screen a little bigger for you. All I ask, guys, is that you drop a like. Would truly appreciate that. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you hold SoFi and if you would like me to make more content consistently about SoFi. Truly appreciate that. And subscribe. That would be absolutely amazing. So let's first talk about the uptrend SoFi is in right now. So SoFi has actually been an uptrend since December of 2022. And the reason we can tell this is an uptrend is because of the support right here, this blue line. Okay. So we've been creating this uptrend, which is great. You can also see that the RSI is in an uptrend as well. You can see all the way from back here. This is low, this is higher, this is higher, this is higher. And overall, it's in an uptrend, which is really good. Okay, so SoFi is looking very bullish in the long run. When I say long run, I mean the next several months. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my own opinion. And then the other thing you want to look at is the resistance right here. So it started on July 2023. We rejected this area before, this blue line. We rejected it again recently. Okay, now I believe we're going to break out of this very soon, but we could tell that it's just not ready yet. Okay. So what could happen is we could back test the 21 EMA, which would be around $7.44. We have a huge stack of volume right here. We actually have a lot of volume in this area. I would expect buyers to step in this area and then us to finally break out. So this is a bullish pennant, what we have right here. So again, usually a breakout comes, but it doesn't look like it's happening right now or maybe even this week. Okay, so we have to be patient on this one. Some positive signs, though, is we're trading above the 21 EMA still, which is very good. The RSI is still in an uptrend, even if you look at the last several months from June 2024 to today, we're making higher lows and higher highs, except this point right here. So this, again, could just back test and then make a higher high. We've seen that SoFi has hit as high as 70 on the RSI. And right now we're at 52. So right now this is still a hold for me. I still think SoFi is great buy under 8. We were buying it under 7. We bought a little bit under 8 as well. You can see on my X on looks like July 3rd, 2024. I said SoFi to $9.60 minimum. Here is why. Stochastic has been bottoming out for weeks. Please refer to the white arrows right here so you can see the stochastic curls. We tend to rally. Curls, we rally. Curls, and we rallied higher. This was trading at 652 as I made this post, guys. I'll just show you real quick. 651. So we closed at 652, and I said this is a buy right here. They had two great earning reports as well. This is a buy here. You can see right here. Okay. So again, SoFi I think looks absolutely amazing. You can also start to use Keltner lines as a place on when to sell, but this is all positive, right? And this is why we were buying under $6.52, under $7, and now we are here. So a stock is not going to go up forever, right? Because this is where we bought, but it rallied for several weeks. It rallied, and now it's just experiencing a little pullback. I'm not concerned about this at all. I think we built a ton of support in this area right here. We're in an uptrend, and we have the 21 EMA right here, plus a ton of volume. So again, we could pull back, stochastic come down for another week or so, and then we could push much higher. So now let's kind of understand, well, where are some areas we could go for SoFi once it's done with this little game it's playing right here. So if we take a Fibonacci from, let's say, the high point of, that was back in the day, this was back at $11.68, and we bring it to the low point. Okay, let's go ahead and make this screen a little bigger for you all. So you can see right now, guys, that we are testing the 382 level. Okay, so we pulled back, we came up, we broke the 236, which is a great sign. We pushed higher to the 382 level, but look at the wicks. We have not closed a candle above it. So if you want SoFi to move much higher, we need to close a candle above the 382 level, which will actually get us above this descending trend line also. So let's say it doesn't happen this week. Let's say this week we pull back And the following week, we push above and we close above 817, 820. Okay. There's also a big stack of volume right here. So we close above this. I think that's going to be great. And then we're going to push higher to the 618 level, which is $9.53. Okay. You obviously can tell, I mean, there's going to be resistance at each of these points, but the point is we're making our way up. It's like staircase on the way up. We're making higher highs still and higher lows. So this is looking very good. Once we close above the 786 level, though, above $10.50, and we get a candle close above it, then I expect SoFi to go on a monster rally up to about $15. Okay. So I'm not really trading the stock. I'm just buying and holding like I have been with SoFi. I think they have a great CEO, great earnings, and I do think it's going to reach $15 one day. And I'll just kind of wrap this video up with telling you why I think that is. So $15 is the 1.618 level on a Fibonacci, which we will see a ton of resistance. We might even push a little higher. You could see some wicks right here that will probably test. So this is really $16.47 right here. But we also have a ton of resistance in this area. So I'm expecting us to break this and move much higher based off volume, based off resistance. It looks solid. You can see there's a volume gap right here. So once we get above this, we'll probably get to like $12.60. And then we'll have a strong move higher to about $15. But as of right now, guys, this is looking great. It's like a staircase on its way to heaven, right? Higher highs, higher lows. This is just a little pullback. I think it's an absolute steal here under $8. This is just my belief. This is what I'm doing with SoFi. This is not financial advice. It's solely just my own opinion, and you should always do your own research at the end of the day. And by the way, guys, make sure you follow me on X, okay? It's at BusinessDad with 3 S's, okay? Got some amazing stuff on there. I post a lot of different stocks and crypto options and chart setups, so make sure you're part of it. I'll probably follow you back if you bring some value. Make sure you comment a lot on my posts if you want me to give you a follow back, so I know that you're interacting with me, and then I can give you a follow. All right, appreciate you all. I hope you have a great one. See you on the next one.